Dear students, today we will see the nature of graph between log x by m and log p. So this is the nature of graph. So from here it comes. For this we will see, as we know, x by m is equal to k p power 1 by n. We have seen a video just before it. So taking log both sides, both sides we get log x by m is equal to log k into p power 1 by n. So log x by m is equal to log k plus log p 1 by n, because from properties of log we know log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. Therefore it becomes log k into p power 1 by n is equal to log k plus log p by n. Now we can rearrange logs x by m is equal to log k plus 1 by n into log p. Here ln a power b is equal to b into log a. It is a property of log. Log a power b is equal to b into log a. Therefore log p power 1 by n is equal to 1 by n log p. Therefore it becomes log x by m is equal to 1 by n log p plus log k. So it is as y is equal to mx plus c. Therefore it is just like y is equal to mx plus c, which is a straight line in the math. Here we see in place of y it is log x by m, in place of m it is 1 by n, and in place of c it is log k. So in the graph this log k is intercept and this log x by m is y, and this slope is 1 by n, because this graph is similar to y is equal to mx plus c. And here this is log x, in place of y log x by m, in place of m 1 by n, and x is log p and c is log k. Therefore the nature of graph between log x by m versus log p comes like this. So this is today our homework is, what is the nature of graph between log x by m versus log p. Thank you.